Okay guys, this is not a joke. This is the car that we're having to drive for 5.5 hours now. Yeah, I can't believe it. I think it has even leather seats, but I'm not sure. Yes, leather seats, guys. Welcome to another vlog from this fancy place here. I can't believe how pretty it is. It's like I stepped into this room and I was like, I need a model. I need to shoot fashion now. Unfortunately, I'm on a job, so can't really do what I want. But that's why this intro is happening already, like on day 2, because I was working all the time and had no time to vlog. I arrived on Sunday late at night, so I wasn't really in the mood to vlog. Then on Monday, yesterday, there was the rehearsal, and since it was a rehearsal, we already kind of rehearsed how to shoot everything. So yeah, basically I had absolutely no time, and I'm in this fancy place and I wanted to show you guys. So that's the only reason I'm vlogging, because I was thinking, okay, maybe if I do not have time, maybe I just do not vlog. But then look at this, it's so beautiful. But yeah, I am at a job. And it's really fun. It's a lot of work, but it's also fun, and I'm sweating because I was running so much. Anyhow, I don't often have jobs where I'm like gone for 3 days, and it's always a mixture of hard work and having fun, because the people I work with here are very professional, and it's more like we work hard and afterwards it's more of a fun time. So we also grab stuff to eat together and hang out a little bit, depending if you like really, it's howling. If someone is really tired, they just go up their room, but usually you just hang out for a bit and then you relax. I'm a bit sorry I can't take you along for the whole ride, but since I do not have a designated camera person to follow me around, it's just gonna be this. But I'm showing you my favorite place here, so yeah, I know you just want to see this one, right? Okay. Alright guys, we made it! He did a very good job cutting. He's just like doing his hair because I told him he could be on camera. Right. And he's driving us back home, which will only take about 5 hours, which is amazing after working for I don't know how many hours. Long day. Never mind. So my brain is basically done. And we have a traffic jam going on, so I don't know. But anyhow, it was a lot of fun. We had a good time. The team was amazing. And yeah, now it's time to go home. Any wise words?
From me?
Yes. Love it. He likes to be behind the camera, not so much in front of it, if he knows that it could end up somewhere.
No, I have no problem with being on social media.
Okay.
On social media, but I don't really know what to say.
Okay.
It's
Did you like the job? Like, did you enjoy?
It was quite interesting. It was a lot of people, a lot of stuff, doing the same thing over and over again, but that's the way it is. And in the end, the client is happy, I think. Yeah.
I'm proud of you.